Alright, so this is rekeying a handle after we took it off the door there. Bring it back to the van. And it's pretty much what every core looks like once you have it out.
Stick the working key in. Turn it.
Alright. Having the working key makes this process a lot simpler. You have to trap up your spring and your top pins up here in the Bible. A good key will look like this. Will all turn, makes a nice smooth circle for you. If you were to have the wrong key in here, some pins go lower, some pins go higher, which prevents it from being able to turn. So what we do to get your new key going is we cut it in this key cutter here.
It's a little messy.
Very messy. And then we have a code for this key right here, 55645. So we will dump out the existing pins here. Now when the key is inserted, everything lines up. Put it all back together. Put the hardware back on your door and you're good to go. Alright, so in order to get it back in, we're going to get our cylinder in. We're going to make sure that our hole is lined up here. And this should not be hard. So if you are having, struggling getting it in, just be very gentle. I'm going to turn it to the side so that the pokey over here will depress. A little retainer pin. Maybe a little more.
No, you went too far.
Turn it back. Check operations. It's turning. It's locking. It's unlocking. And it's on there.